So I've been using an Android phone for over 10 years now. And actually while researching for this video, I did find out a couple of things which even I am doing wrong. So I'm definitely sure a lot of you guys would also be doing wrong. So watch it till the end because at least there would be one of them which you don't know about. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about 10... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so today we are going to talk about 6 different things that you should be doing on your Android, that you should not be doing on your Android, right? So if you're doing any one of these things, then basically you're just leading your smartphone to its doom. Stop doing any of these things if you're doing them right now. Okay, so let's just start with our first one. Yes, that is correct. You should be restarting your phone. It is so obvious and so simple, but I have seen a lot of people who don't do this. I asked a few friends of mine if they do restart, and some of them don't even remember when was the last time they restarted. Some have not even done for months.
Stop it. Get some help.
So basically when you restart your phone, it clears out all the unnecessary data. I'm sure that you restart your computer from time to time, right? Or you power it off and then power it on. Similarly, every once in a while, you should also do the same with your smartphone. That will definitely improve it. So the next one in my list is installing apps from unknown sources. Yes, everyone knows this. Even your phone gives out a warning when you are installing apps from unreliable sources. A lot of people, if they want some premium applications, they directly search for its APK and download it from Google. You should actually not be doing this. It actually harms your smartphone. The most obvious reason is the piracy that you are doing, and you are not helping the developers who spend their hours developing this application. But regardless of that, when you download these APKs, they might be injected with different type of codes that take data from your phone. So if you are even using any banking applications or any safe applications, your data might be leaked because these apps are not trusted by Google. They do not go through that security check that's done by Google. So you should not install this. I'm not saying that don't add any applications apart from Google Play Store. There are a couple of other Play Stores also, like XDA developers or 1-2 others who do have safe applications. I've made a detailed video about it on other applications that are not on Play Store. You should check it out over here because there are some amazing applications over there as well. But yeah, do not download it from any third-party websites or through APKs on Google, okay? Just don't.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
So this mistake I have been doing for about 10 years now, and it baffles me so much that it's such an obvious thing, but I missed it out. So whenever you clear out the apps from your recent applications, it basically just kills the processors, and when you open it again, the process starts from zero. So basically you're giving more stress to your processor when you clear them out and again restart it. So if you're using applications on a daily basis, like if you open some application at least 5 or 6 times a day, just let it stay open in your recent apps. Your Android management knows how to take care of it, and it will just pause it instead of stopping it completely and then starting it again. So save your processor some efforts and don't clear out. I know a lot of people are very OCD about it, at least I am, okay? I feel the urge, feel the need to just clear them out. Like, it comes from the inside. But yeah, now we should actually control that urge because it's kind of making our smartphone suffer more for it, which we don't want, obviously.
Unless that is exactly what you want your smartphone to do.
The next one on my list is using antivirus and battery saver applications. So a lot of almost all of the smartphone manufacturers actually release their security patches every once in a while to make sure that your smartphone is up to date and totally secure. So you do not need any third-party antivirus applications because that is practically of no use, to be honest. And the other one are the battery saver applications. These applications basically just turn your Wi-Fi off, your GPS off, or they'll just clear out the recent applications, which we obviously don't want. And even if you want to do, you can actually do it manually. So keeping this application just increases the load that's present on your processor. So rooting your phone is actually very risky task, to be honest. If you don't know what you're doing, then you should probably not root your phone. I remember when I was a little boy, I think I was around 13 or 14 years old, and I was too much into rooting phones. So I used to download all the mods and everything and then root my phone. And basically, I screwed up somewhere and I bricked my phone. So when we are rooting your phone, you actually lose your warranty as well. So that phone was basically of no use after that, and the company was charging a lot of money just for fixing and installing the original UI. So I basically had to give up that phone. So that is what I'll suggest, that just don't root your phone. But in case if you still want to try it, or if you know what you're doing, there is actually a way you can root your phone without voiding your warranty. Want to know how to do it? Check out this video over here, because that is exactly going to show you how you can root your phone without actually voiding your warranty. Yes. So this is the last and final one, and it is actually the most obvious ones, but people, because of, I don't know, they are afraid of data loss or whatever, they don't enable this. You should actually enable cloud storage on your device. So at least right now in this era, people are changing their phones like every 2 years or 1.5 years. If you're one of them, then you should definitely enable this, because this will back up everything on your drive. So that includes your photos, videos, your contacts, and a lot of other things directly backed up in your Google Drive. At least that's what I'll suggest. There are also other cloud storage applications, but Google Drive gives you around 15 GB of storage, which is I think more than enough. So the next time when you switch your smartphone, all you have to do is just log into your Gmail account, and all your contacts and everything would be restored. Because doing them manually is an extremely tedious task, and if you miss out on something, then you'll probably lose that data if you don't have access to your phone anymore. So yeah, enable the cloud backup. You don't need to worry about it that much. It won't be that harmful. So yeah, that was my quick video on 6 things that you should never do on your smartphone. I hope you found it helpful. If you did not like this video, smash that dislike button, and if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name's Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.